If you really want to transform your hair and your skin, then this video is for you because most people don't know what carrot oil can really do.
Been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you go.
So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make carrot oil at home using just two ingredients. This oil is amazing for hair growth. You can see my hair, and it's also so good for glowing skin. Guess what, guys? It is super easy to make. Come, let me quickly show you the materials that you need for this DIY carrot oil. These are the ingredients and the tools you need for this particular DIY. This is my plate, this is the container I'll be using, then this is my measuring cup, this is the grater, this is the carrot oil, and this is already grated carrots. So I'll be using this as my sieve when I'm done making the oil. So I'm bringing this grater to you right now because I want to show you how you can get to this point. So this carrot is already grated. If you are wondering why it is this way, is to enable easy infusing of the ingredients, like the nutrients inside this carrot, the beta-carotene, the vitamin A and the vitamin C inside this carrot. So you use the finest part, this side or this side of your grater, to grate the carrot so that it can come out this way. It helps the nutrients inside this carrot to properly infuse into the coconut oil. So let's get into it. I'll be using a half cup of my coconut oil. So this is a quarter cup, but that means I'll be using this twice to get a half cup. So let's get into it. So in this particular DIY carrot oil making, I'm going to be using the double boiler method. So after getting my oil that I'll be using, the carrier oil, know that you mustn't use coconut oil. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, or any other carrier oil you want to use. So for here, I'm using my coconut oil. So what you will first notice in this water is that it's not bubbling. It's just warm and hot. So I'm trying as much as possible to retain the carotene. After this, I want to retain the carotene and also the vitamin A. So too much heat is going to degrade it or like even break down these nutrients. So I will keep it in this kind of temperature so that, mind you, the steam that is coming out from this part is just another meal I'm making dinner while I'm making this. So the steam is mostly from the pot from the dinner. So I'm going to, this is my carrot and then the coconut oil inside. I'm going to put it, like, I'm using double boiler method. Let me get this closer and bend it. That's perfect. So I will stir this and then leave it this way. So ideally, you are supposed to leave it inside here to boil, or let's say simmer, for 30 to 60 minutes, but in a very low heat. Let me show you the heat I'm using. So I don't know if you're seeing the heat, like you can't even see it that much because it's very low. So this is how it's supposed to be, or just a little bit higher. My interest is more of preserving the nutrients, which is the beta carotene and the vitamin A. So my interest is that most especially. So I'm going to be keeping the heat very, very low. Remember to turn it from time to time in order to distribute the heat, something like this, so that the heat will be evenly distributed. But I just did it. I'll be coming back from time to time, but I might not be able to show you guys along the line. So this is how you're supposed to do it. At least every 5 to 10 minutes you come and turn it till that 30 or 60 minutes. Just look at that glow now. This is the magic of pure carrot oil. My hair loves it and my skin loves it too. It's lightweight, natural, give that soft moisturized finish we all want. Honestly, once you try this, there is no going back to store bought. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who really needs that glow, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. Your hair and your skin will thank you. Make sure you try this and let me know when you do so. Bye.